In this video, I'm going to cover everything that you need to know about Kajabi in 2023 and beyond. We're going to cover what Kajabi is, who it's for, why you need Kajabi or should seriously consider using it to grow your online business. And we'll also cover the various different tools that Kajabi can replace in your business. So the big question is, what is Kajabi? Well, Kajabi is a software that you invest in monthly or you can pay yearly, save a little bit of money. It allows you to create online courses, digital products, membership sites, communities online. It allows you to do your marketing, like email marketing. You can build funnels inside of it, host your website and your blog. You get to build checkout pages and landing pages and all the things that you need to market and sell basically your knowledge. That's really what they promote, what they help you do. So if you want to turn an idea that you have into an income stream, Kajabi is the ultimate tool to allow you to do that. And the best thing about Kajabi is that it has all the different features that you need to market and sell your knowledge online. So it gives you all the tools that you need to build a profitable online business in one place, and it all communicates seamlessly together, which is a huge selling point for me. But with the website and the landing pages and the whole layout of the entire system, it's really simple and really easy. It takes a little bit of a learning curve just to kind of find where everything is at, but that's why I make videos to show you how to do it all. And everything is pretty much drag and drop. Click here, click there. They walk you through how to build your business, market yourself really, really simply, and they make it very streamlined for you as the creator. Why this is awesome is that we don't need to be crazy tech savvy. You don't need to understand coding or anything like that. On the more advanced levels of Kajabi, you can do coding. You can just take the templates that they already have and just change out the text, add a new image, move a couple things around that are literally just drag and drop. And it's so simple. So if you're afraid of tech, Kajabi is a great option for you in terms of selling your knowledge online. And with a lot of different softwares online, they'll take an extra percentage of your revenue that you make in your business, but Kajabi doesn't. It doesn't matter what plan you're on, if it's the basic all the way up to the super premium pro plan, they don't take any extra money from you. You just have to pay for your subscription. So who is Kajabi for? Well, Kajabi is a knowledge commerce platform, and knowledge commerce is the creator economy. It's you being a creator, having ideas, knowledge, skill sets that you want to share, and you want to sell that online and package the things that you know into online courses, membership sites, coaching programs, a podcast, a blog, that kind of stuff, and get it out into the world and be able to make money from sharing the things that you know with other people who don't know those things. They're going to pay you to have access to your knowledge. So Kajabi is ideal for people who are doing coaching, speaking, writing books as if you're an author, or creators that have ideas and skills that they want to share online. For example, if you have a plumbing business where you get hired to go into someone's house and do their plumbing for them, that Kajabi's not for you. But if you built a successful plumbing business by doing that work, and now you have all this knowledge on how to do plumbing, or maybe you didn't build a business, but you knew how to do plumbing, then you could teach people the skills that you've developed in terms of plumbing or building a plumbing business. And then you could package that into an online course or a membership site or a coaching program and help other people that want to learn how to do that themselves. That is where Kajabi comes in. It's for people who want to teach things online and get paid for it. Now, why do you need Kajabi, or why should you strongly consider signing up for Kajabi? If you do not feel like you're a very tech savvy person, kind of like I mentioned earlier, you want to have a very streamlined software where you log into one software, not 10 different ones, and it has all the data that you need to assess the health of your business. It has all of your programs, your website, your email marketing, everything in one single dashboard, then Kajabi should be at the top of your list. There are other competitors like Kartra or Teachable or Thinkific or even ClickFunnels 2.0. And I've made different videos where I walk you through these different tutorials to give you a little bit of what's inside the actual dashboard and how it looks and how it feels. But Kajabi, hands down, in my opinion, makes it the easiest out of all of them. So if you are thinking about coaching people online or sharing your knowledge and creating online courses and digital products, or maybe you're already doing that and you want to make it really streamlined and very simple, then Kajabi is absolutely for you. And that's why you should consider looking into it and testing it out. Another huge reason that I would definitely recommend Kajabi is that if you want to build your entire marketing funnel, so you can build an entire sales funnel or a marketing funnel that collects leads, makes sales, sends them emails when they opt in, everything that you need to run like a legitimate, healthy business. And it's in one click. From there, you can go inside and you can actually adjust the different text, the images, all that kind of stuff to make it really fit your brand and your message and your product and all of that. But as you just walk through the prompts that they set out for you, they put everything that you need together automatically. And all you need to do is just understand your audience and what they actually care about, and then just kind of plug it into Kajabi, and then you can start making sales really fast. So if you want to have everything on one subscription with one password and username, one ecosystem and one everything, then Kajabi is the tool for you. So what does Kajabi replace in our business? As you know now, Kajabi gives you all the tools that you need to create, market, and sell your knowledge online. Whether or not you use Kajabi, you're going to need a handful of different tools like web hosting, email marketing, landing pages, course platform. And when you have all these different tools and subscriptions, you may not realize it because it's $20 here, $10 here, $50 per month over here, but those end up adding up to a way bigger expense than if you just use Kajabi alone. For example, lead pages, just to host landing pages and not do nearly as much as Kajabi, can cost you $400 per year, and that doesn't even cover your email marketing. And then your email marketing could be something like MailerLite or ActiveCampaign or MailChimp, which can end up costing a couple $100s per year as well. So Kajabi does all of your website hosting, your email marketing, your landing pages, your funnels. You can host your online courses as well, whereas you'd have to use a separate tool on top of your email marketing and your website hosting. You'd have to buy something like Thinkific, which is primarily just for hosting online courses. And all these different subscriptions add up to hundreds or even $1,000 or more per year. And people think, oh, but Kajabi is expensive. It is more expensive than just using MailChimp every single month just to host, your email campaigns. But you have to realize what Kajabi is truly providing. They're giving you everything that you need to be successful. Your website hosting, online courses, membership sites, landing pages, funnel building, webinars, email campaigns, email sequences, automations in your business. Every single thing that you could ever need and more to be successful. So yeah, each month it is going to be a little bit more than other softwares that only do one or two of those things. But in all honesty, not using Kajabi is more expensive than actually using it. And if you're thinking about trying out Kajabi yourself, there's no better way than just to dive into the platform yourself. You can get a free 14-day trial from their website just by going to kajabi.com. Or if you want to get twice the amount of time to play with this totally free, you can use my affiliate link down in the description, profityourknowledge.com/Kajabi. Like I said, it is an affiliate link. So if you decide to sign up for Kajabi and you happen to use my link, I just get a small percentage of your investment in Kajabi for referring someone to the platform. But when you use my link, not only do you get a 30-day free trial, you're also going to get instant access to a course I created called Kajabi Kickstart. This course is going to walk you through exactly how to set up your entire marketing funnel in 5 simple videos. That way you can set up and launch your entire business in Kajabi in that first 30 days. But on top of that, inside of Kajabi Kickstart, there's a link where you can book a one-to-one coaching call with me where I'll personally sit down with you and support you and help you build whatever you're trying to build inside of Kajabi. And I'll answer any questions you have about marketing, sales, growing your business, coming up with a perfect business idea, whatever it is. To get access to all of this, just go to profityourknowledge.com/Kajabi. There's also a link down in the description. If you have any other questions about Kajabi, leave a comment below this video and I will do my best to answer it. And if it makes sense, I'll make another video going into more depth. I hope this was helpful and insightful for you, and I will see you in the next one.